Life in Rowlett offers a blend of suburban charm and modern convenience. The city's vibrant neighborhoods, growing infrastructure, and proximity to Dallas make it a desirable place to call home. However, with that convenience can come an unwanted side effect: noise. Whether it's traffic from major roads, construction nearby, or neighborhood activity, outside noise can sometimes disrupt the peace inside your home. The good news is that soundproof window solutions can make a significant difference. By upgrading your windows, you can create a more serene indoor environment without sacrificing style, energy efficiency, or natural light. Let's explore how modern soundproof windows work, their benefits, and why they're a smart investment for Rowlett homeowners. Why noise reduction matters in Rowlett homes. As Rowlett continues to grow, homes are being built closer together and near busy areas. While this adds to the city's appeal, it also means more exposure to everyday noise. Over time, constant background sounds can affect your concentration, sleep quality, and overall well-being. Traditional windows, especially single-pane models, do little to block outdoor noise. They often have thin glass and poor seals that allow sound waves to enter easily. That's why many Rowlett homeowners are turning to soundproof window replacements, a solution designed to reduce unwanted noise while improving comfort and property value. How soundproof windows work. Soundproof windows don't block sound entirely, but they significantly reduce noise transmission by using advanced engineering and materials. The key features include multiple panes of glass. Double or triple pane designs create layers that sound waves must travel through, weakening them before they reach the interior. Laminated glass. This consists of two glass sheets bonded with a sound-dampening interlayer that absorbs vibrations and reduces higher frequency noises such as voices or sirens. Insulated frames and tight seals. Quality window frames with weather stripping help close off small gaps where air and sound can leak through. Different glass thicknesses. Varying the thickness of the panes helps disrupt sound frequencies, making windows more effective at blocking a broader range of noises. Together, these components can reduce outdoor noise levels by up to 50% or more, depending on your home's location and window style. The added benefits of soundproof windows. While noise reduction is the main advantage, modern soundproof windows provide several additional benefits that Rowlett homeowners love. Energy efficiency. Most soundproof windows are also energy efficient. Their multi-pane design and insulated frames minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, perfect for Rowlett's changing weather. Improved comfort. With fewer drafts and temperature fluctuations, you'll enjoy a more consistent indoor environment. Increased property value. Soundproof and energy-efficient upgrades are attractive to future buyers, adding long-term value to your home. Enhanced security. Laminated glass and reinforced frames make your windows tougher to break, providing an extra layer of protection for your family. UV protection. Many models include coatings that block harmful UV rays, protecting your flooring, furniture, and decor from fading. By investing in soundproof window installation, you're improving not just your comfort but also your home's efficiency, security, and resale potential. Ideal window styles for noise reduction. Not all windows offer the same level of soundproofing. For maximum performance, consider styles that create tight seals when closed, such as casement windows. Hinged on one side and closing tightly against their frames, casement windows are among the best for noise control. Fixed or picture windows. Since these windows don't open, they provide a solid barrier that effectively blocks sound. Double-hung windows with enhanced seals. Modern versions feature improved insulation and materials that outperform older models. Your installer can recommend the best style based on your home's design and noise concerns. Professional installation matters. Even the best windows won't perform effectively if they're not installed properly. Gaps, misalignment, or poor sealing can allow noise to slip through. Working with professional window installers in Rowlett ensures your soundproof windows fit perfectly and deliver their full noise-reducing potential. Local experts also understand the area's climate, building codes, and common noise sources, ensuring a customized solution that works for your specific neighborhood. Final thoughts: in a thriving city like Rowlett, your home should be a retreat from the outside world. With soundproof window solutions, you can enjoy a quieter, more comfortable living space while reaping the benefits of energy efficiency and style. Whether you're near busy streets, schools, or community hubs, investing in professionally installed soundproof windows can make all the difference. It's an upgrade that enhances your quality of life today and adds lasting value to your home for years to come.